Hello friends, welcome back to How to Kill a Kit with Style. This handy dandy container has my kit for this month and I'm excited about it because I'm gonna go ahead and have fun using the ideas of another YouTuber, but I'll have all that coming up. So let me show you what collection I am working from and we'll go from there. So I'm going to be working with this collection called The Wild Side. And let's see, it is made by Echo Park Paper Company from 2015. So I'm going to go ahead, sorry, I know it's going to crinkle. Let me show you what I've got, what I'm going to be working with, and all of that kind of stuff. Let's see, is there anything on the back side of this? Nada. Okay, not a thing. Okay, so we're going to start with fabulous 4x6 cards. Gorgeous colors though, huh? All right, so we're gonna kind of go like this. 4x6 cards, great. Or should I go this way? I'm gonna go this way. 4x6 cards. So the back side of that is a absolutely gorgeous, really, really dark wood grain. Next is I have this really fun acorn paper, super usable for fall time. I am so discombobulated. Okay. Next, okay, just a pretty decent green with plus signs. A really nice autumn stripe. Back side of this. Okay, so these, oh, they look like little arrows. How cute. And it's definitely on a tan or a cream color background, depending on how you think. Now look at these cute little moose. There's moose and fox, a little squirrel. How cute. Then I have, I mean, look at this kit so far. That's fun. Maybe I'll have to move it up like that because I'm going to run out of room. Oh, and now we have bears. How cool is that? I didn't know the bears were in here. The reason why this is so cool, and especially the colors, is most of this kit will be scrapbooking an event that's coming up. Okay, let's go through the kit. I'm sorry, got excited. Really great grizzly bears, black bears, brown bears, whatever you want to call them. This has a lot going on. Might even be better in strips. Don't know yet. I love the little vehicles though. Do you see how cute those are? Very cute. Okay. The flip side being this nice brick red with all the little camp symbols on it. And this right here, oh, they're astrological signs. Very nice. It's kind of like between a charcoal and an indigo. I'm sorry, charcoal and a navy. And then the flip side of that is this very nice, bold, distressed orange. And the sticker sheet, look at Don't Feed the Bears, how cute. Okay, love the pull along camper. I've got some border strips, VW bug. Look at the moose. Okay, so incredibly cute. All right, so let me tell you, kind of the idea behind this kit is my youngest daughter is leaving tomorrow to go to Colorado with her team. She plays for college for a team. And they are going hiking at Estes National Park. So I thought it would be really cute to kind of put like a hiking kit together because I want the pictures. Okay, next I do have for an alpha, these are not used at all. Let's see, thickers from the Simple Life collection. Let's see, 2016, but look at wood grain. I believe it's a Jen Hadfield collection. So that's going to be my stickers, trying to keep the glare off a little bit. Let's see. Now to go along with this, because I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough in the way of embellishments, I went ahead and I saw these in my Fallsy box. I have all of these die cut pieces and a lot of them are in the right colors. So I was like, okay, let me grab them, even if I just have a little bit of orange sticking out at the bottom, or you know how we had the constellation, if I have some navy blue sticking out. So I've got some random die cuts and they're from a few different collections, but we'll see. And to go along with that, I did pull out from the Outfitters collection by Pink Paisley this pattern paper pad, 6x6 pad. And as you see, I mean, it is just so great for that same kind of a hiking theme. So, oh, I liked the little thermoses. Sorry, got a phone call. Okay, so like I was saying, I did add in this really great outdoorsy, campy, etc. paper if I need it. I'm concentrating on these first, but if I need a little something extra for backing, I'll go here. But that's not my concentration this time. Okay. To go along with that, I do have the puffy stickers. They are beyond adorable. Absolutely love those. I love like how it says adventure with me and get lost. These are very, very hikey to me. And I know they're hiking around a lake in the mountains. So cute. Look at the thermos. Okay. Love those. If I could have like 5 packs of those, if anybody has an extra 5 packs, just send them. Okay. So, not much more. I do have these. No idea. They're from Paper House. Now, they're these cute little critters, and they are epoxy. And they're on clips, but I know me enough to know I'm going to be popping those little suckers off and just tucking little woodland creatures here and there. I grabbed this set of dots because I thought they went, for the most part, really, really well with this collection. So if I showed you, if I showed you this, I thought they went perfectly. Even though it's a Winter Wonderland collection, I have an extra set of just brown enamel dots because brown is all over in the collection. And I did decide I wanted to use up these gold self-adhesive sequins. Let's see, what else? Oh, for mixed media goodies, because I keep trying to use them, I have 2 little liquid pearls, and one's in hot cocoa, and the other one is in avocado. And I was thinking that the colors are looking pretty darn good of those. Now, if I needed this, so this is the other stuff I grabbed, just because it was in, yikes, my fallsy, campy, whatever you want to call it, bin. I did have these, and what these are, I clipped them together. They're just scrap pieces of paper. So if there's something I need, great. Like, I would love to cut that out. That is gorgeous. So, or maybe the paddles or whatever. So these are just extra scrap papers. Would love to kill them. And then finally, I have this. And I didn't even look at it when I started putting my kit together. But I know it's from just this very specific collection. I think it was a scrap room kit. It's Cabin Fever collection from Simple Stories. So this is just a sticker that I have up on foam tape I didn't use. I have just a few of these square stickers, just a couple labels, and then scrap piece of paper. This is a set of 3x4 cards. And look at it says, "Don't feed the bears." And my daughter is a grizzly on her team. So how hilarious and cute. Like, I so have to use that. Like, really, really have to do that. I mean, so great for what they're going to go do. Look at the cute little, like, little maps. So, and then I had, oh, a couple more pieces. And then this is the rest of that sticker sheet from this collection of goodies. So I'm going to keep these separated for now, in the event that I don't need them, but I did include them just in case. All right, so those are my goodies. That is my How to Kill a Kit with Style for October. And I'm going to go ahead and start making a plan. I do have a plan, but I will share it with you on my first video, I think, because it's pretty darn exciting. I think that I'm going to come close to killing this kit this month. Okay. We'll see you later, friends. I can't wait to start creating and show you what I come up with. Bye-bye.